Okay, so there's a hand control in this car. It will be removed unless the person winning this auction decides they can use it or want it or need it. Then I'm happy to leave it in. But here's a cold start of my 2020 Mercedes-Benz Tiffin RV. The MBUX integration entertainment system is really slick. Of course, it's got Sirius XM radio. It connects to your phone by wired CarPlay, so you've got CarPlay there if you want that. While we're listening to it run, you can see the mileage on 12,622 miles. I got it with 12,000 miles on it, and we've only taken it to Wisconsin to see my wife's parents a few times, and that's a 2,000 mile round trip. So that is all the camping we've done in it, and we've just figured out that our living situation with bilateral amputations is just a little more difficult with our three Goldens than we thought it would be, and so it's time to part ways.